superstar you will ever meet. Rashmika, may I please invite you on stage as we do the opening of Kubera with this beauty, because no Kubera is complete without Lakshmi herself. Please, may I call you on stage, Rashmika Mandanna, make some noise.
You liked We'll speak in full butler English today.
No crimer, no timer, whatever.
No crimer, no timer, no waste timer.
Ayyo!
You'll only have to complete it, ma'am.
Rashmika, I have no words for the exuberance that you bring on screen, despite being as simple as you are. एक इंसान मुझे बताओ जो आपके प्यार में नहीं है. Does everyone love Rashmika? So here's the question.
जी बोलिए.
आपने सब सुपरस्टार्स और यहाँ तो सुपर डुपर स्टार्स के साथ काम किया है, लेकिन इससे पहले कि हम इन पे आए, एक कैरेक्टर आपके जैसे इतनी वैरायटी करने वाले को कॉल आउट करता है, and this seems very different, and this seems a very different side of Shekhar as well. तो क्या था वो जिसकी वजह से आपने हाँ कहा?
पहले तो हाय एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप? सब ठीक ठाक? ऑल गुड? चलो ठीक है. हाँ தமிழ்ல பேசணுமா? இங்க வந்து தமிழ்ல பேசுனேன்னா the Hindi media will be like, what, we don't understand anything. So okay வா உங்களுக்கு? Looks like there's a lot of Tamil crowd we have.
You can go part, it's all good.
Okay, why don't we just speak in English so that it's easier for me?
जी.
Okay va? So what was your question again?
What was the character in this movie that attracted you कि मैं इसको करना चाहती हूँ?
I think basically I wanted to work with Shekhar sir, and I wanted to work with Dhanush sir and Nag sir. Like we have this entire, like we've baked this cake and we have put a icing on the cake and now we have a cherry on the cake. So it's going to be a full-on delicacy by the time the film releases. So,
but there's something very different about your character. Let's be honest.
See, some days you will have to be Geetanjali, some days you have to be Srivalli, some days you have to be Maharani Yesubai, and some days you have to be her. So,
without giving away too much,
जी,
क्या हमने आपको पहले इस अवतार में देखा है जो आप दिखाने वाली है कैरेक्टर वाइज?
नहीं. I think, you know, I'm someone who like fully surrenders to my directors, and that is the beauty of it, क्योंकि like directors, each directors have their own flavor. तो इसीलिए I'll, you know, somehow sort of get to play such variety of characters, and she is extremely different. She is, as in I can't reveal too much, but it's going to be a very, very exciting and a different character.
But there is one thing that is not different,
Ji.
is your streak to work with the best of best. We have two heavyweights here we love, and the kind of body of work that they've brought in. What is this special connect? Let's start with Nagarjun sir. For you, you know, maybe a memory, a core memory, and now being his co-star.
I love Nag sir. This is the second time I've gotten this opportunity to work with Nag sir, and every time I spend this little time that I get with him, it's just, I'm so fascinated by how he just is. You know, he's effortless, he's just being him.
Smiling the most when your song was going on. I was watching him. He enjoyed every moment of your antics.
You know, I was just telling Sir that Sir happened to watch the film. Of course, all of us get to watch it when we dub the film. But the second Sir complimented me for my character in the film, I was just like, guys, this is done. I am happy. I am happy with this, you know. So that was really special.
मैं सबको बोल रही हूँ, सबके अंदर एक कुबेर है. I think धनुष सर के अंदर जो कुबेर है वो versatility का है. You can never recognize him. You're like, who is this person? We don't know him.
See, Sir is like, he does everything under the sun in the most effortless way. and he will be the Kubera of everything he does, and he will make all of us want to work 10, 12, 100 times extra to be at least like 10% as good as him. Hannah, sir. Yeah,
Because we have limited time with sir, वो actually shoot के बीच से आए हैं, and everyone here is, for them every minute is money and Kubera. I'm going to take the opportunity to invite everyone on stage. As we know, we don't have. By the way, ये गाना जो आपने रश्मिका का देखा, वो आज शाम को YouTube पे release होगा, and you'll have it on Aditya Music. And so we have from Aditya Music, Aditya with us.
If I just may add something, आप सबने ये गाना देखा ना? 2 बार, हाँ, of course. But what I wanted to say about this Ghana is that we generally happen to get songs which is, you know, when a boy is heartbroken and all of that, you have like, you know, fun take on sad songs. You have male perspective on songs. But this is a female perspective, fun take on a heartbreak.
Whoa.
Did that describe it enough?
Yes.
Now I'm going to see a lot of reels on this, guys. You better make reels on this.
100%. With those kind of lyrics, watch out.
Yeah.
Pakka,
You have to.
May I, Mike?
Yes,
and
ma'am.
Tell the audience here, your fans here, कि आप एक नंबर 1 स्टार के बगल में खड़े हो, खुद भी बहुत नंबर 1 उन्होंने कहा है 3 साल में जो आपकी फिल्मोग्राफी रही है, शायद इनकी भी नहीं रही है. तो for being part of Kubera, the high point for you as an actor, क्या था?
High point for me as an actor, being in the dump yard for like 6 hours. The high point of me as an actor in Kubera. Because actually, ma'am, it, as in like Dhanu sir said, it has somehow like gotten us back to our roots. It was like an eye-opener, you know, this film in a way. But also getting this privilege to work in this film, work with this character, and also Shekhar Kamala sir has a way of always getting their actors to real locations. They don't like put up a set and all of that. So we were actually like doing, I don't know if I can say this, but gorilla shoots.
Yeah.
Can we? Okay, I got. Yeah, now it's done. So, you know, you guys, I'm sure you guys are aware of what gorilla shoot is. So we were holding the camera and running around like the whole day, and we were like, okay, get into the car. Okay, get out of the car. Now we got to get this shot. And we didn't even see the monitor. We didn't even know what we were going for. But the master of it all was Shekhar sir. And getting to work with him, I think all of us have really like given it in for this film. So I hope you guys really like it.
Bless you, and thank you for that story. I have a quick question from Entertainment of India. Shravan wants to ask you this, Rashmika. Ki you've played such emotionally rich characters before, but in Kubera, where emotions meet ambition and greed, what part of the role left a mark on you?
I think honestly, you haven't seen much of this character yet, because there's a lot more. As in, so far we've seen one teaser and this song. And this song is also like she going a little off, you know, the story just to have a little bit of her life and her fun. But the story, you still don't know anything about this character, and you will be, in fact, surprised tomorrow when you watch it. And I think I'm waiting for that moment.
The trailer to be out?
Yeah.
Okay, here's the question. I don't think you need to do this, but somebody still wants to know. Did you ever feel like manifesting some Kubera energy for your bank balance too?
Oh. Listen, guys, the reality is you will be shocked. Every day I do manifest, but it doesn't come true. I'm kidding. I'm happy. I'm happy where I am. I'm really grateful where I am. And thank you for all your love, because of you, I am where I am today. And thank you. And that's all.
That love you give us on Instagram, and we take it with all our might. Thank you for those beautifully inspirational positivity ka bhandar wale videos. Being number one actress, do you want to say something to everyone who is being toying you and saying this is the number one actor in a really long time of your kind of art?
Ma'am, the way you're saying it, no, I'm feeling a lot of pressure right now. Like, I'm like, should I give like very inspirational answer or motivational answer? I don't know. But thank you for saying that, sir. Wait. Sorry. No, thank you for saying that. But I feel like I honestly have just started because I don't know what this whole number one situation is, because we're doing films in the South, we're doing films in Bollywood.
Yeah.
So I don't know what this race is about, but I know for sure that I'm just starting.
One more question by
Again?
Bartaman.
I think
I will give it to sir as well. Debaprati Bhattacharya wants to ask you, after the huge success of pan-India movies like Pushpa, Animal, you are the pan-India queen. Let's make some noise for that, yeah? What
Thank you.
is your
Whoever said
take
that.
on pan-India movies, and also what is your biggest takeaway from this movie?
I think we should actually have this point where all of you guys are answering. You know, I think it'll be a cool mix-up. Henna? Huh?
We love you.
What? I didn't hear. Say it again
Say
now.
love you.
Be nice.
They're always nice to you because you're so nice to them.
No, but this film, sir. Sir?
Twinkle Twinkle Superstar बोल रहे हैं वो.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. You're too special. Thank
That's
you.
Chaitanya sir who was telling me earlier on, Naga sir, that your son's name. Okay, we'll come to you, Naga sir. This